Mr. Deputy Chairman, we are discussing a very important bill full stop. When we are discussing this bill, we should devote all our attention on the economic effects of this bill to this country full stop. The original idea of an industries development and regulation act was all right to a certain extent full stop, but I am afraid the same cannot be said of this amending bill, which is giving too much power to the government to interfere in industry full stop. I think that the economic experts know only two types of economy, either the nationalized industrial economy or a capitalist economy with big failure of administration full stop. There is no halfway house full stop. I find this Industries Development and Regulation Act is entering into a very difficult field full stop. It is almost an uncharted sea, and we are undertaking regulation which, instead of benefiting our economy, may rather ruin it. Full stop. Paragraph change. In a capitalist economy, it is the rule of the survival of the fittest. Full stop. It is quality and price structure that determines the success of any business. Full stop. If the management is bad, the business goes down. Full stop. The shareholders keep a watch on it. Full stop. On the other hand, in a nationalized industry, in a planned economy, the government thinks of the total requirements of the country as to how many industries are required to produce any particular goods, and whether the industries are spread out properly in the various parts of the country, having regard to the raw material easily available. Full stop. But in this bill, we are not following either of the two economies. Full stop. We are imposing some sort of regulation on the industries as they exist at present. Full stop. Therefore, I submit that this type of regulation, instead of saving our economy, will surely go against any kind of progress, full stop, paragraph change. We generally follow what is done in England, though after an interval of few years there was a similar Industries Development and Regulation Act in Britain, and therefore we must also have a similar law in our country, full stop. If we look into their experience of the working of this act, what do we find? Question mark. Out of the four development councils set up in Britain, only one was successful, full stop, close.